So, good evening guys. Ngayon, mag-install tayo ng Red Hat 9.0. First thing we will do is dapat meron tayong Oracle VM VirtualBox. So, dyan natin gagawin yung Red Hat. Then, pag meron na tayong ganito, first thing we will do is go to Google and search redhat.com. Open this, then developers, then products. After we click the products, we will see this featured. Then we will click this Red Hat Enterprise Linux. That we will go down and click this download sign up. Then sa pinakababa, makikita natin itong mga all downloads. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.10, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.4, at marami pa. So, ang da-download lang natin dito is itong 9.4, itong DVD ISO. Yan. After that, kailangan natin ng i-log in yung account natin. So, ako kasi meron na akong account. We don't need to sign up. Just enter our account. Then, after that, magla-log in na. Ayan. Kita na natin siya na nagda-download na yan. Download na siya dito. Then, hihintayin lang natin siyang matapos. Then, back. Ako kasi meron na ako nung file na yon na download ko na. So, proceed na tayo dito sa Oracle VM. VirtualBox. Una, gagawin natin is click New. The name, we will name it as a Red Hat. Folder is, we will use other and download this Red Hat. Select this folder. Then the ISO image, yung dinownload natin kanina, yung sa Red Hat, other, pag na-download na natin yon, save natin dito. Then meron na kasi ako, ito na yon. Then skip unattended installation. Next. Then base memory, kailangan natin dito ng mga 4,900 around ganon. Then the processor is 2. With that, next is the disk size it will be 100. And next, we will see here the machine name, the summary of all we click, then finish. And after that, punta tayo sa settings. Then sa system, andyan, ayan, pointing device, lilipat natin sa USB tablet. Display is video memory natin, pwede natin isagad yan. Okay, click, wala. Settings. Storage natin, ayan, yung dinownload natin kanina. Diyan na siya. System. Okay na lahat. Then, after that, makikita natin dito lahat yung mga inano natin. Then click start. That we will see this powering BM up. Ayun. Okay na natin. Nakita natin yung sa Red Hat. Pindutin natin ang install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.4. Just enter and hintayin lang natin. Kita natin yan. Sobrang haba. Then after makita natin, magwe-wait lang tayo. Starting na siya. Installer. Install. Let's just fix this. Ayan. Ayan ang unang bubungad sa atin. Pili tayo ng language. Maybe ito na lang English. United States. Then continue. Language. Kasunod nun, ito makikita natin. Click the installation destination and the time pindutin. Just click done. After that, you will see this. Then enter the root password. We will create a root password. Wait lang ako na. And after that, click done. Ayan. Hindi siya nag-match. So, palitan ulit natin siya. At tapos natin mag-create ng password. Simula na tayo mag-install. Install na siya kaso medyo matagal to. So, we will just wait for So, after the installation progress, it is complete. Then we can click the reboot system. After that, we will see this. And it's loading now. Then there, we now can now start setup that. Then next, let's just skip this and we need to enter our full name. Haba, yan, name ko. Then next, enter tayo ng password. Then next. Then it's all done. You can ready to use it. Click no things. And we already installed the Red Linux. For that, we can now just close this. Just power up the machine.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So now I'm here to teach you how to install the Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish on VirtualBox. So first, we're gonna go to the Google and search ubuntu.com, and then we're gonna click the products, then this, and search the Ubuntu 22.04. And we're gonna click the first one, which is this Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS Jammy Jellyfish. And then the Ubuntu desktop, and there. But since we already have a downloaded Ubuntu, we're now gonna proceed to the Oracle VM VirtualBox.
So now, let's press new and create virtual machine. We will name it Ubuntu 22.04. Press other, downloads, Ubuntu 22.04, and ISO message, others, Ubuntu 22.04, X, then next, and we will input the username and password. So this is just an example. You can change it whatever you want. So our username is group3, and we will change the password and repeat the password. Then next. Then slide the base memory into 10,431 and processors into 8, which is max. Create virtual hard disk 30 GB or gigabytes. Then next. and finish. Then wait. Then we will wait again to display the jellyfish. Then we can see the jellyfish display, and we will press online show applications, online accounts, skip. Then we can see the applications. Skip again. If you want Ubuntu Pro, help improve Ubuntu, next. Privacy, next. And you're done. You're ready to go. And we will make a file. This is just an example. We will make a folder, new folder. Then we will put the folder name IT7, then create, and then we will put it on the display so that it's easy to find. Then make a file. This is just an example. Then place it and save it to Ingat and place it to the IT7 folder. Then you're done. After that, you will power off, close and power off. Okay, then you're done.